For a low-key 3 days away, traveling abroad can sometimes feel a bit much. Enter the humble bed and breakfast. Cozy, informal, but usually full of charm and warmth, you'll love spending a few days off the grid. Besides, as most bed and breakfasts are run by a small team, you can also add the added benefit of friendly service and local recommendations to help you find that little-known dinner spot or vintage store full of gems. Whether it be a quaint cottage in an English village or a traditional casa in Madrid, I love the authenticity of a lived-in accommodation, curated by those who are from the area. Today I'll show you 10 of the best bed and breakfasts in the world. Don't forget to subscribe, let's head into it. Number 10. BNB Mondolo Design in Mondolo, Italy. If you want to visit Sicily, consider staying at BNB Mondolo Design. It is located on the marvelous Bay of Mondelo, where the sky is blue and the sea is 1,000 shades of turquoise. It is a beautiful Liberty villa, just renovated, in which you can find serenity and harmony with nature and the surrounding environment while experiencing genuine Mediterranean hospitality. Number 9. The Blue Horse Inn in Woodstock, Vermont. The Blue Horse Inn is uniquely situated in the Woodstock village. Their sweeping grounds overlook the Taquachi River and Mountain Tom, and guests can enjoy swimming in the heated outdoor pool or a leisurely walk in the gardens, which include a view of our town center's covered bridge. Number 8. Candleberry Inn on Cape Cod in Brewster, Massachusetts. The Candleberry Inn is a multiple award-winning bed and breakfast lodging located in the historic heart of Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Beautifully decorated rooms, all with private baths, central air conditioning, and a delicious multi-course gourmet breakfast each morning make this B&B the perfect place to stay at. The Candleberry Inn sits in the center of a classic Cape Cod village. Enjoy 2 acres of beautiful grounds and a walk to a sandy bayside beach and restaurants, shops, and art galleries. Number 7. Abington Green Bed and Breakfast Inn and Spa in Asheville, North Carolina. History, style, romance. Located in the historic Medford district, you find the Abington Green Bed and Breakfast Inn, which has been awarded TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice from 2011 to 2021. Prepare to be pampered your entire stay, and being just a mile from downtown Asheville, you'll be sure to enjoy our afternoon social hour before dining at one of Asheville's finest restaurants. Number 6. The Torling Guest House is offering exceptional hospitality in Fort William, the outdoor capital of the UK on the west coast of the Scottish Highlands. Situated 1 mile south of Fort William, the award-winning guest house has beautiful views over Loch Lynn and the Ardgour Peninsula. Come here to get to know Scotland and eat truly Scottish cuisine in their intimate dining room that overlooks Loch Lynn with spectacular views with the Ardgour Hills and beyond. Number 5. Usada Viva in Igarata, Brazil. The Usada Viva is known to be the most pet-friendly inn in the world. With dogs running all over the place, this B&B is perfect if you want to travel accompanied by your furry friend. Relax and enjoy the great food or go hiking to experience the lakes and forests of Brazil. Providing an ideal mix of value, comfort, and convenience, the B&B offers an array of amenities designed for travelers with their dogs. Here you can get to enjoy using the B&B swimming pool with your dog and let your dog play freely with other dogs as you enjoy the free B&B breakfast. Number 4. Dorset House in Lyme Regis, United Kingdom. Dorset House B&B in Lyme Regis is a unique sanctuary by the sea. The beaches of Lyme Regis are a short walk away from fossil hunting, sunbathing, and water sports, as are the same-framed Dorset Footy Delights. The B&B are also within striking distance of the Southwest Coast Path, with some of the best walking trails for miles around. Come to Lyme Regis and stroll down to the coast of Dorset after finishing their award-winning breakfast. Number 3. The Turcraft in Torquay, United Kingdom. The Turcraft is the perfect escape for guests seeking excellent accommodation, a delicious breakfast menu, and a cool bar and lounge. Our approach, guests feel special at home and every effort is made to make each stay memorable. The Turcraft is in a great location, a peaceful retreat minutes from Abbey Sands, Torrey Abbey and gardens with several restaurants and bars nearby. Stroll along with promenade and you will find the Princess Theatre, Town Center, and Harbor. Number 2. Bayfront Westcott House Bed and Breakfast in St. Augustine, Florida. History, mystery, and romance are what bring people to St. Augustine, Florida. Its dreamy historic or downtown location on the water, vintage charm, stellar customer service, and unparalleled amenities are what attract people to come here. Bayfront Westcott House is a 16-room full-service luxury bed and breakfast. Room selection is a huge factor in the ultimate experience. Choose among electric fireplaces, luxury soaking tubs, jetted tubs, spa showers, and a private outdoor seating. You'll find Bayfront Westcott House in the historic downtown area, overlooking Matanas Bay. Come here to enjoy the hot Florida sun from your veranda while eating breakfast in the best B&B in the US. Number 1. The Tulson Court in Scarborough, United Kingdom. Whatever your ideal holiday, you'll find it all here. At the Tulsan Court Bed and Breakfast, they strive to provide the perfect base from which to enjoy all of the Scarborough and the surrounding area has to offer. The entire guest house is tastefully decorated and lovingly refurbished to the highest standards to guarantee you a lovely stay. The B&B, named the best B&B in the world by TripAdvisor in 2021, is known for its great breakfast, very clean rooms, and homely atmosphere. Every guest who's been there wants to go back again and again and advises you to get to know the lovely hosts Angela and James yourself. If you enjoyed getting to know premium bed and breakfasts all around the world, share this video with your friends and hit the like button and subscribe button. Stay tuned to learn more about fascinating places you can visit all around the world. I'll see you in the next video.